In this video, I will be showing you how I switched my ChatGPT theme from dark to light mode to make the interface much easier for me to read during the day. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, and to begin the process, I'll navigate down to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on my profile name to open up the main account menu. From the list of options that appears, I'll select Settings to enter the configuration panel. Once the settings window is visible, it will automatically open to the General tab, which is exactly where I need to be. I'll look for the section labeled Appearance, and I'll click on the drop-down menu. From the list of available themes, I'll select the Light option. As soon as I click it, you'll see the entire interface instantly update to a bright, clean white background with high contrast text. This is a great way for me to reduce eye strain depending on the lighting in my room or my personal preference for a more traditional document style look. Once the theme has successfully updated and I'm happy with the new appearance, I'll click the X in the top right corner to close the settings window and return to the home screen. Now my entire workspace is set to light mode for all of my current and future conversations. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful for customizing your own AI workspace, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials just like this one.